Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. Clash Royale sometimes releases secret promo codes during special events or giveaways, rewarding players with gems, gold, or magic items. Redeeming them is simple, but only possible when an event is live. Just open Clash Royale, head into the settings menu, and if redemption is available, you see a special option. Enter the code exactly as given, since they're case sensitive, and your rewards appear instantly. Keep in mind, not every player sees the redeem button unless Supercell activates it, and codes are usually time limited or region locked. If you get an invalid message, it's likely expired or not active in your area. And one last step, only redeem through the official app or Supercell store, never from third party sites. That way, you'll always claim rewards safely when secret codes go live. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.